watch till the end. I have just woke up and my face is little so jaya. First, after washing my face, I'm gonna apply the skin toner that is from Jovis. So now I will just pamper my skin and I will apply under eye cream and uske baad moisturizer and sunscreen. Lot of sunscreen, hihi. Petroleum jelly on lips and then primer to just moisturize my skin, and then I will select my shade in this palette, and yeah, this suits well. Yeah, perfect. And I will not apply too much because this is medium coverage. I will just blend it and then the contour. So with the glittery eyeshadow मैं थोड़ा brown भी लगा लिया साइड साइड पे and white कजल लगाया, and then I will apply the mascara. Wow, my favorite. Okay, so then I will just overline my lips because I just love overlining my lips. Oh my god, this is one of my favorite thing to do. I'm just so in love with myself. मैं खुद की favorite हूँ. Okay, then I will apply the lipstick, and that is from Lakme, and the shade is Nude Twist. And when it will dry, it will look just so damn good, and it will look good with my look also. So I will just settle it with a setting spray. This is the jewelry which I'm gonna wear today, and I was just thinking what should I do with my hair before me. Yeah. So I just decided that I will do a bun with a bun. So this is what I did with my hair, and this is okay for me because I just hate doing my hairstyle. Just wore the bangles with the watch of Versace. Sorry for the show. I just loved my look, and I think we all should appreciate ourselves. Then auntie ji ने उतारती मेरी नज़र की, मैंने किसी नज़र ना लगे.
So stay positive and always love yourself.